Hello, my name is Narain Singaram. Today we're going to be looking at my website coding and development project for Fbla. So here are the table of contents. So first I'll look at the intro to technologies and actually look through the website and then provide a quick conclusion relating to the code. So before we get into the actual website, I want to discuss on what my website is. My website is called Tasty Bites, and that's a modern restaurant. Also, I have a benefits page, jobs page, and a home page as three components. And in terms of the technologies of projects, I'm using 6 different technologies, but there's multiple technologies that you could consider. But here are the main ones. So I'm using Tailwind CSS, which is a utility-first CSS framework. And this allows me to build interfaces and do fast inline CSS to do dynamic styling. And in terms of an analogy for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I want to relate to the human body. So HTML5 is the skeleton of the human body, right? So it's also the structure of the whole website. It allows you to lay out the whole pages and display the content. CSS is the beauty of the body, so it allows me to make the website look more professional with a better UI and better design principles. And JavaScript is the brain of the website. So like a body, how the brain makes body parts move, JavaScript allows different components of the web page to be interactive. I also use Google Fonts and Icons A, which allow me to use illustrations and multiple fonts. So here's the color palette that I utilize for this website. As you can see, I start with a dark red transition to other frames of red and brown and have a light tint of yellow. Now let's actually dive into the website. But before that, I want to show the 3 sections of the website. There's a home page, which I'll discuss first, benefits, and jobs page. All right, now we loaded into the website. And as you can see, there's a nice carousel as we load in. And I can click these left-right buttons to switch between images and text. And we have a nice nav bar at the top with multiple links and an action button. And as you scroll down, there are sections. This is the home page, so there are sections about the different kind of foods you can get. And here there's a story section where we discuss on the uprising of the upcoming of the restaurant. After that, we discuss on one of the signature dishes within the restaurant and discuss the price. And there's nice animations to make the website more dynamic with JavaScript. We also have a nice formatted section for a menu, and we just list a lot of dishes that the restaurant offers and organize in terms of the website. After that, we have a great testimonial that touches on what a customer said relating to the restaurant and the business of Tasty Bites. And we have a book a table, reserve a spot form, and you're able to input this information and book a table. And if you click the number here, it actually allows you to call. But in terms of the presentation, we're not going to call right now. We also include the strengths in the homepage of the website with 4 strengths. And we have a nice formatted footer with all the links. If I click this top button, it makes me go back. Now we can see the benefits page. So the benefits page, as you load in, there's a nice gradient header with the nice images. And as you load down, you can see that there are multiple reasons for workers to come work at Tasty Bites and provides descriptive reasons for that. After that, as you scroll down, you can see testimonials of prior people that worked in Tasty Bites previously. After you scroll down from that section, you can see common questions. This just provides questions that new people that want to join the restaurant may want to know. All right, as you can load into the jobs page, you can see there's 3 different segments with nice animations on the left and right corners. And it just shows the best quality jobs that are available for the Tasty Bites restaurant currently. So pianist, restaurant manager, barista, you can click view info, get the info relating to each job as so. And if you're interested in applying, you can apply. As you scroll down, there's a nice testimonial of someone who already worked at the business of Tasty Bites. And underneath the testimonial, you can see a job application where one who wants to join Tasty Bites can input their information, upload a PDF, submit the application with, once again, able to call. And right underneath that, you can see interview workshops with Taste, which is what Tasty Bites will provide, courses almost, or workshops in person, which provide the skills and fundamentals of working at the restaurant. And once again, there we have a repeated footer. All right, now we're in the Visual Studio Code, which is the IDE I use. And in terms of the code, as you can see, I have multiple files. I've separated CSS, JavaScript into multiple files, and all the HTML. And in terms of JavaScript, what it's doing in terms of the website is, for example, let me find, like there's a preloader. So if I reload the page, you can see a nice loading animation, and that's done with some of this JavaScript lines. And for example, this button also includes JavaScript to go all the way to the top of the page. And in terms of CSS, I included multiple variables. So for example, if I want to make all the buttons have the same format throughout the website so it's consistent. So I can have a button CSS. So all the buttons with the same class will have the same styling throughout. Like, as you can see, they're all the same throughout. And also, moreover, to talk about the credits and the sources of the website, I have a sources page. And these include the images, articles, web pages that I use. All right, now that we're back to the slideshow, in terms of the conclusion, I believe that this website has a nice blend of innovation, functionality, and user-centric design, so it can empower visitors and anyone that wants to learn about the benefits of Tasty Bites.